Radio. Hello and welcome to the Warehouse Studio, where we get close, candid and casual with some of our very own Goan celebrities. I have with me one of Goa's hottest drummers and a mind-blowing singer who has sung many songs and is especially known for his Mira Mira remix. Also, a very good sound engineer, running a reputed recording studio named Audio Masters. My personal favorite and my co-host, Orville Rodriguez, whom we fondly call Ori.
And with me, I have Sylvia Fernandez.
That's it?
Yeah. You need an intro? Seriously, guys, she actually needs no introduction. A super talented singer and performer. She's performed all over India and abroad. She's done the opening act for artists like Shaggy, Ottoman, Kaoma, Eric Martin and Shreya Ghoshal. She also has an album to her credit called Unmasked. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, my co-host and my very good friend, Sylvia Fernandez. And this here is the Warehouse Band. That's Fraser Pacheco, our Capitan of Music, handles the whole music scene. Marlon, who's very shy, but fire on the guitar. Edelbert, the rock star of the band, and the drummer boy, Bobo. No. Mr. Bobo. We'd like to do a song for you today called Red Cherry, written, composed, and sung by Sylvia Fernandez, and the music arranged by Daryl Mascarenas. Let's go, boys.
have a band which can easily be termed as the most traveled band from Goa. They have performed all over the country and beyond.
An epitome of live music, they enthrall the crowds with whatever music they play. So let's welcome the Live Wire Powerhouse Band, India's one and only A26.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Welcome to the Warehouse Studio.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Shall we start our class?
Yes.
All right, Lester, you were rocking in the scene with another band before. What made you leave and start something of your own?
So I was at Forefront for 17 years, and I just 17 years is a long time.
A long time.
So I just needed a change.
Okay, and the obvious question, why A26? What does that mean?
We didn't want to give it a very cliched name, which had to do with music and stuff like that. And then the idea came up with why don't we name it? You know, if it sounds nice, name it after the house that we first started practicing in, which was my house in Kalamud. That's how A26 came about. The house number was actually 7/26A. So we just took off A26 and that's how it started.
And how did you choose?
Oh,
These handsome men behind here.
you know, I think fate plays a lot in choosing the members of a band. And I think the first members of A26 were Jude, who used to play for Big City Band, and my sister Abigail. So they were like there, and fate brought Alfin into the band because I happened I was looking out for a boat player, and Alfie, if you know, Alfie is the guy that said, you know, Alfin was leaving this band called Bandwagon. So I had I remember that interview where I met Alfin at the Marriott, and so when he came and said, see, Lester, there's only one thing. You know, I work very hard, but you need to kick my ass sometimes. So I'm still doing that till today. Okay.
How old is
Yeah.
the band? Around
They are 11 years old now. Exactly 11 years on the 6th of June, 2020.
Completed 11.
He completed 11 years.
11 years is not a joke for a band. Huh?
Yeah. Then Joe had just come down from his job on the ship, so Joe was just picked up. So it was fate. Then Jude got ill, and Marvin had jammed up with a show when Jude was playing once.
Yeah.
He played flute, and all the boys said, you know, Marvin is available. He's not playing in the band. So I guess it was all just fate, you know.
Fate, yeah.
Yeah,
It was
and then
just fate that happened.
it just fell into place.
Yeah, it fell. Yeah, Greston was walking around in the market one day. He was walking around in Varka market and all with the short pants and all.
Always.
So she said, that guy looks good. Let's take
That
him.
like good guy, that's good. And he can play the guitar, so let's take him. So,
Crystal was the same
So-
case also, no?
Yeah, when I was walking around the market.
yeah, so that's how then Greston joined. Then we wanted to expand our horizons where our music was concerned, and then we realized we required two boat players. So then Agnel had left Forefront, and that's how Agnel was called into the band. And then Agnel wanted to leave and start off something on his own, and Nicky was available. So it was just fate, you know. That's boom.
We have heard that Lester, off stage, is a no-nonsense man. How far is that true?
Give him a few drinks and check him out. A couple of drinks and then we'll see.
And to get that answer out from you, what do we do?
Correct. And you can't give him few. You have to give him whatever I drink. You have to double it and give it to him.
You know, this question was very funny. She's penned down some of these things, and one of them was this one. So I'm reading. We've heard that off stage, Lester is a nonsense man. So what the hell are you asking him?
Yeah, he just asked me
Read
that.
the no, it seems so there.
Yeah.
No,
so-
technically, if it's when there's work, there's work. So you know, there's no nonsense when there's work. When there's no work, just give me a couple of drinks. That's it.
So on stage, how is he, like, as a leader? Is he strict or is he like...
Not really strict, but professional, I would say.
He's just putting it in a nice way.
No,
okay?
I
He
just
wants
think
to-
it's a part of being on stage. but I think we all are.
Everybody.
Otherwise, we wouldn't be where we are today.
Everybody is.
Yeah.
Exactly.
No, everybody knows once they're on stage, everybody knows
Knows your
that
job.
that this is, we're on a rule, so that's how it is. So everybody is very alert on stage, we're having
And,
fun,
yeah.
but everybody is
You
very
have to
alert.
maintain a certain
Yeah.
discipline on stage. That's very
Do you
important.
really think that discipline is required in a band?
I think discipline is
Not
required.
only band, I think
Yeah, in all forms of life. In all forms of life.
Because normally people think, band, it's like fun, it's like,
Yeah, they just
partying
go.
around kind of thing.
There's a thing, for anybody that thinks that a band is fun, come and spend 6 months with us.
Correct.
Come and spend some time. At the end of the day, it is fun, like any other job. If you don't like it, don't
Yeah.
do it. But when it's time to work, then everybody knows that we're all on the ball, because we know that there's something that we need to do and it needs to get done. So you can't. There has to be discipline in all forms of life.
Yeah.
Did anyone come across a question like, edge बाहेर कितको तो music बाहेर आनी कितको था आणि काम कितको था huh? This is a common question all musicians get
Really?
in Goa.
I've never been asked that question.
We've been asked this.
We've been asked.
Yeah.
Music को था, okay, you're singing.
Yeah.
But edge बाहेर काम कितको था? They don't consider this
This
as
as a
work.
job. Correct.
Yeah. So
That's
you
right.
all have come
This-
across
this-
this.
Yeah. So many times.
So what do you all say?
But now people have stopped asking because
Yeah.
we're doing good. We're doing well for ourselves. We don't.
So they're seeing the results and they're seeing.
Who is the most mischievous of the lot?
What?
Everybody going to point to
He's the
Grayston.
starter. He's the starter.
Grayston is the most
So
mischievous
he's a
of the lot.
bully, rather.
I agree with that.
And I'm always on time.
Yeah.
And that's the biggest truth.
It's an irony over here, because the man who owns the most amount of watches in the band is Grayston, and he's never on time.
Crystal has lots going on
Oh God.
inside.
I don't know
yes.
where to start with him because actually, compared to everybody, I've worked with him the longest, I think.
Yeah.
From the time I started with my singing career in Goa, watched him grow.
And then I stopped
He
looking.
And then
was
he stopped
a nice
going.
saintly boy with the side parting and all that.
And so we were in Big City Band together, and so he's been mischievous ever since. And then there was this huge break, and I thought, now I'm joining them with A26, and so I want to see how this boy has grown. Nothing changed.
I think he shrunk.
I think he's going backwards.
Yeah, he did.
He's going
And-
backwards.
And I think my legs get pulled the most where he's concerned. No, Joe and me. And the thing that happens with me is when I go home and I'm checking my phone in the night, I have hundreds of pictures of nostrils and glasses and someone's
that-
chewed bones.
Yeah.
And he just, whenever he gets a chance and he's alone with my phone, he will randomly shoot burst pictures in hundreds. And I have to sit the whole night knocking off pictures of someone's ear, hair. And I'm like, oh, God.
So what he does to every girl singer technically, that he'll take, when we play for a wedding, so he'll take bones from the snacks.
Cutlery,
He'll take cutlery and crockery
So,
and shove it into the singer's bag.
In the bag. So when we
So
go
by the
home,
time
there's
when the
everything inside.
I know about it.
She knows everything about it.
I've been the target.
Correct.
So initially, I was very, very embarrassed by it. Now I tell him, I have 4 glasses, you need to make 2 more, I need a set. So we keep on.
But seriously, have you all ever flicked anything from a hotel? you all go?
No.
Preston,
Never.
have you done that?
Never.
We were going to flick that thing. But
Or
we
have
did
you
it.
taken anything from the hotel and put in the female singer's bag?
Never hotel, but we've sometimes removed the TV and kept it aside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was that?
So they have rearranged the furniture in the room.
Maybe the fridge is gone into the
Not
bathroom.
broken.
The
Rearranged.
fridge is gone into the bathroom.
Fridge is
maybe.
gone to the
Oh
bathroom.
shit.
Once we slept with the TV.
Slept with the TV?
Yeah.
What?
There was some nice
was
song.
that? This only A26 can do, guys.
Yeah.
Nobody else.
So, Crystal, you two had taken a break from the band scene for a while, or something
Yes.
like that. What made you come back?
Because I missed the live music. I was doing singing to minus ones and stuff like that. And then prior to that, I was with the Channel V thing. So I was stuck with them for a year and a half on a contract. So I had to take a break. And then when I came back and I started freelancing.
You were with the Channel V for that...
Pop Stars.
Pop Stars, yes.
Yeah. So since they kept me on a retainer thing for a year. And so I couldn't do any live performances, yeah.
Oh.
And then when I got back and then I started doing minus ones and solo and freelancing with artists, no? And then I got back to it.
Lester, do you put any diet restriction on these guys?
Absolutely.
So
Yeah, you can see.
Look at it.
I can see it over
If
there.
if I could put any diet restrictions, they would all be looking like me, but they don't.
But most of his time, I think he's after Alfred.
Alfred.
Yeah. So I normally tell him but not because he needs to look good on stage only.
He takes
Also-
compliments for a
Health-wise.
coffee just to tell him not to eat anymore.
Correct.
I tell him around is also a shape.
Takes
you know.
Nobody listens to me. Yeah. It's all noise. Nobody listens.
So you guys have must be having a big fan following and all that all around.
We do, yeah. There are some people that are die-hard, you know, like every band has a die-hard fan following. So we do. We have a little fan following, yes.
Any embarrassing or memorable moments?
With the fans?
Oh, yeah, I know you're coming here. I know you're coming here.
He's invited.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to say anything.
No, with the other fan.
I'm going to
Never, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. This is with a particular fan that happened one day on stage. Okay, where we all burst out laughing. All right. So this happened in Cohiba. All right. So we've all just bought these small little fans on stage.
For effect.
For not for effect, because it's really hot in some of these places. So we have these fans blowing. And one day while we are playing, Marvin bends down to touch his fan to move the angle of the fan. And Marvin got such a heart shock.
The fan flew off.
The fan got stuck to his hand.
The fan got he was screaming while the song was going on. He threw the fan out.
I thought it was a part of his act.
Got a shock while playing.
Yeah,
That was intro.
that was the intro.
So people thought that.
And the next thing is the full crowd is. Are you okay?
And any other moment that y'all cherish or any funny incident on stage or off stage?
He would.
The stage was this side.
Yeah, that's what.
Somewhere in Indore.
I like
Now-
the way they laugh before they tell you.
Yeah. Now,
Because it's so funny in their head.
Now, here's the thing with Alfred, okay? So every time I take him out for a coffee and tell him to, that he needs to reduce, he never listens, all right? So this thing happened in Indore, was it?
Indore.
It was in Indore.
Yeah.
And the stage was about this height.
No.
Slightly higher than
than
this side.
Higher than that. Go on. Higher than that. Stages are never this high.
Okay, this height that you're sitting on.
No. Higher than that.
No, not
Okay,
that high.
and now he's going to say it's higher than that because knowing Alfin and the size that he is, I don't know what was going through his mind when he thought he could take a run and jump onto the stage without holding hands. So if it was high, I doubt you would even try to jump on a stage which is that high. Okay. So we take his word for it.
He thought, yeah.
So we see Alfin
nearly
now he's flown off. Okay. In flight. And then gravity takes its force.
As soon as he
and
takes off.
he's hit the stage halfway. He's not even moved halfway up.
Half his body.
Angry birds?
Yeah.
Oh God.
But I have to commend his positiveness that he thought he would be able to clear that stage without holding hands.
So as a band, are you guys planning to come out with your own album or anything of that sort?
We have a photo album.
That there are lots even I've seen. Collage.
This is a question that a lot of people ask us, and because we've had quite a few changes in the band over the years. So the thing is that we've always talked about it, but because we're continuously traveling and playing, and we see each other more than we see our families, and that is because So I did a kind of an analysis of last year, and we, on an average, we did about 7.5. I say half because it's an average. 7.5 shows a month outside the state. That means 14 days at an airport.
Yeah.
And actually sitting down to get a song going, we've started and never completed. So we're tired. We're like, you know, and we do straight out 2.5 to 3 hour shows at a stretch. We've never actually got down to it, but the cover music has actually paid a lot of dividends over the years. So we've not had thought of it, but now since we're in lockdown,
we have something cooking though.
Yes, we're cooking. I mean, we're very
Everybody.
Yeah, we're all cooking. Yeah,
Sausage pulao?
we're planning the cooking. So we've not gone to the market and brought the stuff as yet. Only the onions have come, nothing else.
So as you said, like you'll have 14 shows a month on an average. So you'll
12 to
have
13.
most of the time traveling, airports and
7.
people might be finding this very,
Hard to believe.
very interesting and they must be thinking it's fun, like, you know, traveling all the time. But can you tell them the hardships behind it?
The first few shows that we started traveling were very, very exciting. But as you move along, it becomes a job, and the worst part about traveling is the traveling itself. So we are always traveling in the morning, and the morning is always between 5 o'clock and 7:30 in the morning.
So soon
All
after your
flights.
gig, you'll have to
So soon after the gig, we'll probably catch 1 hour of sleep or 1.5 hours of
The
sleep.
sleep gets.
Just go home for a quick shower and pick up your bags.
So most of the time we're doing that.
1 hour of sleep, not for sleep.
So that's why most of us are fast asleep on the flight. Even if it's a 45-minute flight, everybody's fast asleep.
Not him.
So everybody sleeps on the flight.
He keeps on
Everybody.
talking.
Most of us.
He gets Wi-Fi in the middle of the...
So do they
Most of
snore
us.
as well?
Oh, me?
So
Lion King.
Lion King.
Lion King. So we call him Lion King because he snores very loudly and half the plane gets disturbed. Because everybody looks back and they're all looking at us.
When he sleeps, we pretend to sleep.
So technically, it's not easy. It's not easy because even if you're catching a flight to go out of Goa, you hardly get any sleep, because we're always leaving the house at 3:30 or 4:30 in the morning. Because the rule, which is one thing which is there, is that we have to arrive at an airport 2 hours early, no matter what. 2 hours early is the rule, because if we are 8 of us or 9 of us, including the sound engineer Keenan, if he's 9 of us missing a flight, is a no-no.
Not funny, actually.
It's not funny.
Tell us something about Joe. How is he in the band?
Joe and Alfin have been there from day one. I remember the times they used to come on bikes from Benauli to come and practice in Kalangut every day.
Benauli
Wow.
to Kalangut.
Every day.
And think
21
about rains.
In the rain. Every day. So
Also
that
used to
was-
put
that
plastic
was
for his keyboard. and
2009.
they used to travel on the bike.
I think our younger generation should learn
Yes.
from this. You
This
know, they
is
get
hard.
Yes,
things
yes.
on a platter
Yeah,
now.
because if you want to achieve something, there is a lot of hard work. You have to get on your hands and knees. That's the way it is. So even when I left Forefront, when I started 826, there were many times, because we didn't get the right roadies and stuff like that, there were many times I was carrying and putting the speakers into the van myself, so that we could get to a wedding on time. If it has to be done, it has to be done.
It has to be done. Yeah, exactly. I remember times when, like, even Iggy, Alfin and all, you know,
Yeah.
you need chords to a song. Actually listen to the
Listen
song.
to the chords,
Stop. Figure out.
Now you have tutorials on YouTube.
Now you have
cassette, yeah.
Google. Google.
You have YouTube
whatever,
and
lyrics,
you have YouTube, yeah.
Chords,
Yes, yes.
lessons for people who want to learn.
Correct.
Everything is there.
So they have no stories about Joe.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a lot of
No,
stories.
there are.
They cannot be told on camera.
Okay, put the cameras off. Don't put, huh?
So we make a lot of fun of Joe, poor guy actually. We make a lot of fun of him. So you'll find
Poor? He's a rich guy.
no. So you'll find
His father is
Joe.
rich.
Yeah. So you'll find Joe's underwear on the fan and stuff like that. So
Or in the fridge.
in the fridge, in the deep freezer sometimes. So
Keep him
so that is
cool,
it.
yeah?
Keeps him cool.
They love him, I think.
All right. Let's get to a lighter side. So we'll do a small Shoot or be shot, it's called. That's what we call it.
Okay.
You have to answer questions, and your answers have to be quick, prompt, no time to think and all.
Okay.
Okay.
This one is for Lester. One habit you want to get rid of.
Procrastination.
If you write a book on you, what would the
I
title
get a second
be?
question?
Many.
Many.
What is that? If
If you write a book on you,
On
what
me?
would be the title?
How to calm down.
Calm down. Okay. I need to read that book though. What do you think you would find in the
No,
following?
it's a book where I'm giving them lessons on how to calm down.
Exactly.
I'm always calm.
What do you think you would find in the following people's bedroom? Grayston.
A guitar. Guitar.
Okay.
You're being nice.
Yeah, you're being nice.
Oh, you want me to be nice?
No.
Okay, I'll tell. Okay, go
Ask
again.
the question again.
Ask the question again.
What would you find in Grayston's bedroom?
Somebody's underwear. I won't say man or woman, okay?
Okay, Marvin.
Marvin, I would also the same.
But which bedroom?
What are you all doing with underwear?
Maybe ours.
Alfin.
Alfin, food.
Food.
Food. Any day.
Haldiram.
Alfin, food.
They all rely on me.
Yeah, I
Sometimes.
swear.
Yeah.
Because in my bag there's always
So he
something
gets
to eat.
stock.
Yeah.
And Crystal.
Crystal.
High heels.
Vodka.
No, heels.
High heels.
No. I'll tell you, in Crystal's room, you'll always find makeup.
Okay. Iggy.
Iggy, I've never shared a room with him. Yes.
But what do you think you would find in there?
I really don't know. Iggy, what would I find in your room?
Hair.
Yeah, that's true. Hair.
And Joe?
Nothing. Because
Joe would have nothing in his room because he would clear the room out. All his stuff.
The bathroom door will be closed.
The bathroom door will be closed.
Okay. React in one word to the following. Music.
Life.
Marriage.
Life. Life sentence, I mean.
Aliens.
They're there.
Casting.
What kind of casting is this? When you say
What
casting,
thought
even
comes to your
cast in
mind?
a hand or those other kind of casting.
Whatever comes to
The
your
couch.
mind. As expected.
Couch.
Food.
What comes to mind? Food?
Food.
Go on.
Sports.
Omelette.
Football.
3 things on your bucket list.
I want to bungee jump. I want to skydive. And that's it. I only 2.
Okay, Lester, what's that one thing you have you wish you didn't?
Nothing. I'm happy for everything that I have,
Including Joe?
including Joe. Especially Joe.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself as a musician?
3.
Don't be modest.
69.
Okay, 5.
All right, Grayston.
Me? I thought she came next.
No.
No.
We're going
You're
in
next,
the-
you're next.
Just-
in
Why me?
age
We don't want
Yeah.
anyone to be prepared with the answers, so we're just going random.
Grey.
3 recently played songs from your playlist.
Def Leppard, Van Halen.
Songs, he said, not bands.
Def Leppard. Full playlist.
Ah,
That's
Gods
covered 3 songs.
This thing, Armageddon. Van Halen. Right now.
okay.
And Def Leppard is Love Bites.
No, not love.
Send me your playlist.
Definitely.
Interesting. Which Goan musician, according to you, would star in the remake of the following movies? Okay, the characters. Which Goan
Okay.
musician you would?
Okay.
Mogambo.
Philip Neri Fortis.
He said, go and musician, he said. Philip.
Zohan.
Zohan.
Himself.
Orwell.
Zohan, you.
Shut up. Okay. Dictator.
Lester Rodriguez.
Hitler.
Again him.
You can't take the same name again.
One movie that relates to your life. I know
Legend
one.
of 1900.
Huh?
No, actually, no. There's
No,
many.
you'll have to
man.
go. You have to go on
School
the
of
wild.
Rock also
no,
is a nice one.
You have to go onto the wild side for that.
How
You
about
can't name the movie.
How about Confessions? You know?
Correct.
Okay, one thing you tried in your life due to peer pressure and actually didn't want to.
Smoking.
Alvin, this is for you.
Oh my God.
You.
All
Put the
set?
mic close.
Okay. Yeah.
One song that will tempt you to dance.
Lungi dance.
Have you ever done that?
Yeah, I always do that.
If you were to spy on someone, who would it be and why?
Maybe Grayston.
And why?
I'd rather not say.
With the binoculars.
Yeah, because no.
Because he
I
needs-
changed my
because-
answer. Joe.
Because he wants,
Joe.
he wants
Yeah.
as an exciting life as Griston as
Joe.
anybody.
Joe.
else.
Why?
Because he's got a darkest this thing in
Side
his
of
car. No, the
car.
The
Tint.
darkest tint
Oh.
in
The
his
tint
car.
on
So
his
you
car.
want to know what's happening inside?
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
Amar.
If you were stuck in a lift with Grayston, what do you think he would do?
Griston would die.
No, Grayson would die before me. Because he gets scared.
No, not that scared.
Yeah, he gets scared.
First thing I would do is fart.
Yeah, I was that. You
And with that,
that
perhaps
in a
you
gas
would
chamber.
faint. What do you think would be an alternate career option for the following? Okay. Marvin.
Alternate career? Farming?
I can imagine Marvin in the fields already. Grayston.
Grayston, maybe.
A male escort.
No. Yeah, maybe. Escort.
Leslie, you're not supposed to help
Okay, fine.
Alvin.
Okay, fine.
Now I was thinking of Gigolo.
Okay.
Bodyguard. Bodyguard.
There we go.
There you go.
There was one.
There he goes. Okay, Crystal.
Housewife?
Ballerina.
Really? Teacher.
No.
He's already answered this question.
Yeah.
Okay, Lester.
Lester again.
Lester?
Oh.
I need to think.
Eggs.
That's what you want.
Yeah.
You can't think.
Alternate
Career for him.
Alternate career?
Congress. Maker.
Carpenter?
Perfect.
Iggy.
Iggy, driver maybe.
I love to drive.
Yeah, he loves, yes.
And Joe.
Joe,
Undertaker.
Undertaker.
If you were given 15 minutes with the President of India, what would you speak about?
I would ask him how is the family.
No dirty talks, no politics.
No, because, what
don't
role does he
believe in
have?
politics.
What role does he have? Unless there is a president role. He doesn't have any role. He
No,
just,
there is a big role.
meaning he can roam around the whole world.
That way.
Yeah.
Correct.
In 20.
He's got his politics wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. What if you were a teacher? Which subject would you prefer teaching?
Sexology.
Sexology.
All right, Crystal. One person you can call even at 2 a.m. A.M.
My sister.
Other room.
Yeah.
One person you're fascinated by.
Who I'm fascinated by. Grayson. He fascinates me. Gotta get to that mind.
Who, according to you, is the most charming in the band? Rank in order.
Oh, God.
This fellow because he gets work done.
Joe.
Second
Marvin.
is Marvin.
Marvin second.
Griston has to be last because he farts.
He's a charming farter. Iggy. Alvin.
Joe.
Joe. Grayston. And then Joe.
Okay. Describe yourself in one word.
Determined.
That's a good
Nice.
One, yes. One
Good
interesting,
description.
One interesting thing that you carry with you always.
My phone.
No,
I
not the
don't know
phone.
what.
Not
there
the
was
phone
a
for
sound
sure.
coming from that side, but I
No,
don't know.
not the
what it
phone for
was.
sure. She said phone, right?
Yeah.
Not the phone.
So you think she's not telling the truth?
She loses that every time.
I think my phone is more with y'all than it is
Yeah,
with me. Okay, one thing is always me, my shoes.
Shoes.
I forget everything else, but I'll never forget my shoes.
Your shoes are at my place.
Oh God!
In the practice room.
Those are my slippers.
Started with Iggy now. One song you would listen to at any given time.
One song I would listen to. That would be Foreplay. Yeah. Any song.
Nice. Which actress, according to you, is very sexy?
Indian?
Malik.
Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone.
Okay, I like her too. Which Goan musician, according to you, would star in the remake of the following movie characters? James Bond.
Marvin.
Mr.
Alfred
Bean.
and Joe.
Mr. Bean would be
That would be me, man.
Grey. Occasionally. Though.
Correct.
Okay. Spider-Man.
Joe.
This is a planned question. This is planned. This is planned.
Seriously,
Joe,
no.
Joe Spider-Man. Yeah.
Is
Joe
it?
Spider-Man in the band.
Spider-Man in the night.
Spidey.
In the night.
Spider-Man in the night usually.
He actually called.
They've got a lot of stories behind
Spidey
that.
in the night, Batman in the day.
Gabbar.
Gabbar Singh. Okay. I think that would be
One thing you are afraid of.
afraid of
Fights.
a little nervous, I would say. Camera.
Camera. But you're doing good. If you were a superhero, who would it be?
Superhero.
Wonder Woman.
Superman.
Superman.
Can do it all.
What is the price of 1 kg sugar?
I'll have to call my wife.
No, that was just to check whether you do the shopping. That was just a tester over
You got the
there.
answer.
Your biggest addiction.
Music. Biggest addiction.
Okay.
It's a good addiction to have.
Yeah.
All right, Marvin,
Yes.
your biggest fear
Falling down.
from?
While walking.
Getting electrocuted.
Getting electrocuted.
Okay, which cartoon character resembles you closely?
Cartoon. Tom, I guess.
Cartoon character.
Yeah.
You mean Tom and Jerry? Tom.
Yeah,
Tom.
Tom and Jerry Tom.
Okay.
What do you thought? Tom Cruise?
I thought
I like this. Describe a perfect kiss in 3 words.
In 3 words.
Grace will laughing.
Passionately, direct Chandra.
What was that?
I don't know.
Okay, what is the first thing you notice in a woman?
Thighs. Like,
Did you say tie? Like the tie or thighs?
notice in a woman as in which way? Like,
Yeah,
look-wise?
yeah, look-wise. That is
Calves, actually.
calves.
Ooh.
See how she's moving her legs.
Rajiv has got
No, but he's got
good ones.
better calves.
Rajiv has got better calves.
He's got good ones.
That was a super fun round, guys. And with this, we come to the part where we have to say adios. We don't like doing it, but we have to.
But not before we have these guys take stage and set the stage on fire for you.
And do what they do best.
Exactly.
So, guys, stage is all yours.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
He's just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
Camera rolling.
Silence, please.
Okay, silence.
What is happening? I'm sorry, these people are...
Why are they troubling her, yeah?
Camera rolling. And ready? Blow your phone.
Okay. Now show up like everybody.
Okay.
Episode 1, ending song, take 3. 1, 2, action!
They never fail to enthrall the crowds with whatever genre that they play. Genre. Join us on our next episode along with the A26.
We'll be back.
Like, share it out.